Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to calculate your debt to income ratio in Lendingclub. Your debt to income ratio is an important measure that Lendingclub uses to assess your ability to repay loans. To calculate it, first you gotta add up all of your monthly debt obligations. This includes credit card payments, student loans, auto loans, and of course housing costs like rent or mortgage. Next, you want to divide this total by your gross monthly income. This is the amount that you earn before taxes and deductions. For example, if your monthly debts are $1,500 and your income is $5,000, then your debt to income ratio is going to be 30%. In Lendingclub, you can review your loan details and of course use the calculator to check exactly how your debt to income ratio changes after consolidating debts or just taking a new loan. A lower ratio signals stronger financial health, with under 36% generally considered favorable for loan approvals. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.